case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
When the government of the United States makes a promise or enters into a contract, it might seem like they have an ironclad duty to keep it. But as Michael A. Steinberg discovered, that's not always the case. Steinberg took the U.S. government to court in 2009, alleging breach of contract and promissory estoppel over complimentary tickets for the presidential inauguration, which turned out to be not so complimentary. Steinberg's case hinged on his own personal journey to Washington, D.C., and his claim that the government had promised to compensate him for services during the inauguration. After getting tickets from his congressman, he arrived in Washington ready to take part in the grand event. To Steinberg's shock, he was denied entrance to the designated viewing area, a move he claimed was without prior warning. Steinberg sought recourse in the United States Court of Federal Claims, a body with jurisdiction over claims against the U.S. government based on everything from congressional acts to contracts. But a contract with the government and proving the existence of such a contract proved to be far more complicated. Steinberg had to show that not just any government representative had entered into the alleged agreement, but one with the actual authority to do so. The court, however, decisively dismissed Steinberg's claims. They ruled that Steinberg had not sufficiently established the existence of a valid contract with the government. Furthermore, the court pointed out that they didn't even have jurisdiction over promissory estoppel claims, because such claims require a certain type of implied contract, the sort of contract the U.S. had not waived its sovereign immunity for. In the end, the court granted the government's motion to dismiss the case. Not only did Steinberg's claims lack sufficient basis, but any of his pending motions were rendered irrelevant. The case was closed, with the clerk of court instructed to enter judgment for the defendant. Steinberg's quest for compensation ended, as did this chapter of the law's relationship to the U.S. government and its promises.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.